Hi, I'm Damon Medellin with Sanger West Productions, and you're watching The Hive, where we update you on Hornets sports. This is our first Hive of the school year. We hope your classes are off to a great start. Our fall sports teams worked hard all summer. They practiced morning and night in hopes of having successful seasons. The Sanger West football team kicked off their season last Thursday night. The Hornets hosted Washington Union. It was blackout theme. Khalil Conway scored the first touchdown of the season. It happened in the first minute of the game. Despite the fast start, the Hornets gave up 3 touchdowns in the first half. There was strong defense in the second half. Both teams didn't add any points. The final score was Hornets 7, Washington Union 20. The Hornets will travel to Fowler on Friday. Varsity plays at 7:30, JV plays at 5. The JV team picked up a win last Thursday. It's important that fans come out and support our Hornets.
Oh, this is just an exciting time for all of the Sanger community. Football's been a time-honored tradition, and we look forward to starting our own traditions in the short 6 years that we've been here. It's already gathered so much attention. Our fans, our community, the support from everyone is great to see, and we continue to build the Hive each and every week.
The atmosphere at the game is very loud and cheerful. We have a lot of students having chants in the student section, with our powder toss especially, and we just love getting out here and enjoying our time at the football games.
Sanger West girls volleyball team hosted Justin Garza last Thursday. Our Sanger West Productions cameras were rolling. The Hornets lost in straight sets. The Hornets bounced back with success at a weekend tournament in Gustine. They won 3 out of their 4 matches. Arusha Darach was named All-Tournament Player. The Hornets will play at Washington Union on Thursday. They return to the Hive Gym on Tuesday. Be there when they take on Fresno Christian. As player Michaela Garcia tells us, the team spent the summer preparing for the season.
How we prepared over the summer for the season was we did summer leagues, and we played at Clovis East and played different schools. They're all higher level than us, so it really prepared us for some good teams. And then we also had workouts over the summer that helped us too.
The fall sports seasons also includes girls tennis and golf, cross country, and water polo. The tennis and water polo teams are on the road Thursday. Friday, the golf team will participate in the Pirate Scramble. Saturday, the cross country team will be competing in Lindsay. If you are interested in joining a fall sport, you can still join tennis, golf, cross country, and water polo teams. Head to the athletic director's office in the gym to learn more about joining. Stay up to date on what's happening at Sanger West. Follow Sanger West Productions on Instagram and YouTube. You can also email story ideas to our advisor, Sarah Sogamonian. Thanks for watching The Hive. Go out and support our Hornet athletes. From Sanger West Productions, I'm Damon Medellin.